What's up, guys? So I just wanted to make you guys aware that for the next 48 hours, I'm running a sale on the complete web developer course for the lifetime pricing tier. So the lifetime is where you pay once, there's no monthly fees. You pay once, you get the course forever, all updates, all content forever, guys. And I wanted to do this because I've been getting a lot of positive feedback on the course. I've been making sales, and I want to open it up so maybe I can make it a little bit more affordable for more people, so I can get more of you on board, because I really want to help you learn. I really want to help. So this is my kind of thank you to you guys. If you go down, you scroll down, if you go to the completewebdevelopercourse.com, if you'll go down, you'll notice that it now says lifetime access, just $49.99. This is going to be up for 2 days. That's half off. It's usually $99.99, or there's always the monthly at $20. But now if you go here and you click buy now, you'll see here $49.99 one-time purchase, guys. So that's for you guys. Again, thank you so much, guys. Since I've only been back on YouTube after I took all that time off to make the course, my channel analytics have skyrocketed, and that's because you guys, you're enjoying the content, you're commenting, you're subscribing. And I do also want to thank you guys for that. It feels really good that when I work super hard like that on all these videos, I've probably uploaded 20 to 25, maybe even 30 videos since I've made my return, right? And damn, dude, you guys, you're enjoying it, and I'm getting a lot of great feedback. So I really, really want to thank you guys for that. So again, just 48 hours, guys. So from now, today's Thursday, Saturday night, I'm going to take this down, make it back to its normal price. So if you've been wanting to check it out, but you're like, I don't know if I want to pay that much, or, I don't trust this guy yet, it is now half off, one-time purchase, okay? Still, if you haven't yet, if you're still not interested in that and you just want to do the free stuff, completely fine. Grab the free Practical Web Dev Roadmap, guys, link in the description. Completely free. It will save you a ton of time if you're still trying to learn this stuff. Tells you exactly what to learn, how much of it to learn, which is very important, so you don't waste, a year trying to perfect JavaScript or something like that, because it's not necessary. Tells you what to avoid, how to get a job as soon as possible. Please check that out. And then if you end up checking it out, it's going to have your email. It's going to have you give me your email. And then if you want to opt out or just cancel, if you don't want any emails from me, go ahead. But if you do want continued emails from me, make sure that you're always checking your spam folder, because I only send 1 or 2 emails a month. But check your spam folder, guys, because I've been sending out emails. And since I'm still kind of new, I'm not really trusted yet by email providers that much, just because the website, practicalwebdev.com, and everything in my email account, everything is kind of in the new stage still. So they're like, I don't know about this guy. So if you like my content and you want exclusive content, for example, this halftime off sale, my subscribers and I have about, we're reaching up to 50 that have subscribed to the email list. They knew about this since Monday. So they've known for multiple days in advance of you guys, because they're on my email list. If you're a current subscriber on the email list, or if you're going to stay on it, if you want to hear from me for exclusive content and deals like this, make sure you're periodically checking your spam folder to see if I'm in there. I might be. And just move that folder, or tell Gmail mark it as not spam, so that from now on you'll actually get my emails. That'll help out a lot. And then, again, it's just another freebie, so please take advantage of it. And take advantage of this, guys, half off. Again, it's 100% project-based, guys. You'll learn the full stack, project-based, no theory, no fluff. It says that there's a ton of sections and lessons. They're all mostly 5 minutes and less. You can learn the full stack of web development and be a competent developer. All in around, this is about 37, 38, definitely less than 40 hours for the total curriculum. You can get that done in a couple months and be on your way and skip all the BS that everybody else is trying to sell to you. All right, guys, so please take advantage of it, and I'll see you guys in the next video.